Okay, we just got my wife's Christmas gift. Just came in from 3D Printed Concepts. That's the first time I've worked with Dan. Seems like a great guy to work with. And hopefully this came as expected and passed through the shipping process unscathed. So let's see what we've got here. Looks like lights. Whoa, with a little remote. That's cool. I don't know exactly how it unpacks, but we will see. Okay, what do we have there? Oh, that's pretty light. Actually, the whole box is not very heavy. Seems like it's packed well. It is rather fragile. This is a 3D printed model of the Hawk Mansion at 100 East Orange Street in Shippensburg. My wife's favorite house. Okay. Oh, okay, okay. I'm starting to realize, can you get that? We'll have a couple things going on here at a time. Oops. Some of the stuff's going to be delicate. Looks like it definitely paid attention to detail as it was being packaged. Okay, nothing here. I thought there was something under that. Okay. That's the other half of the puzzle. I'm going to take the blue tape off of that, and then you can get those to stick together like that. Alright, and then the main event is inside here. This is pretty exciting. You even put little holes in the box so that that's a pretty clever way to do it. I like that. Little holes in the box so the tape held it down. The bottom of the box. Everything looks like it is intact. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. Look at that. So everything's got its little spot. Looks like it's fairly well true to life. It was a home/mansion built between 1893 and 1898. Cool. Hope my wife loves it. It looks great. Thanks, Dan, so much from 3D Printed Concepts.